Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and sound test of the Apex 7 gaming keyboard. Alright, we're just going to start it off real quick with a sound test. So here we go. Spacebar. The stabilizers on this thing are great. This is the typing test. So after you've purchased the Apex 7 or any Apex, you can go to the website. I've linked in the description, and you can install the software for it so you can have the RGB, and you click keep, and once you've done that, this will pop up. You sign in, and this is where you can control the RGB from. So there's 5 configurations. This is number 4, and you can swap them all out. You can have any different type or effect that you have. Like, this is ripple mode, but you can have like anything you want. It's really cool and customizable. This is number 5. This is number 3. This one also has the ripple effect. This is number 1 and 2. Pretty much, they look a lot the same, number 1 and 2. This is number 2. This one's really nothing special. It's just orange with the side of blue, and it fades out from blue when you type a key. So I guess that's cool, but okay, now we're going to talk about the little OLED display on there. Alright, so inside of the software, you can literally type whatever or draw whatever you want to be on there. You can also install little animations or images, which I did. And I installed this cool little Stickman fighting scene that you're going to see up next. Props to whoever made this. This is awesome. Okay, now we're going to talk about the overall build of it. So it comes with this little wrist rest. It's not padded or foam, but it's this really soft, nice rubber, and I really like it. It magnetizes on there. And on the back of it, it has 2 rubber kick-up stands. It only has 1 degree of height. Normally it has 2, but this just has 1, and it's pretty tall. So yeah, and it also has a cable management section for there, and the cable is not detachable. It's on there, and you can't take it off. The cable isn't braided. It's just a really thick, heavy cable, rubberized. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. If you liked it, think about subscribing. Only like 0.7% of people are subscribed, so if you hit that button, that number will literally go up. So thanks a lot. And right at the end, about the switches, I have the red switches that are linear, and they're awesome. And thanks for watching. My overall thing is, yes, you should buy this. See you next time.